23rd, 1984. Carrion City. Another night of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the city. Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper of fear and cover-ups. Me? I just whisper. Tuesday. This city's drowning in misery. With everything else for sale, murder was just waiting for its turn. Who am I? The name's Dick. Detective Dick Slater. And I'm the only one keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its own sin.
Slater, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
She's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Fine. Tell him I'm on my way. Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee and disappointment. Let's see what the chief wants this time. Hello, Luna. I see they still have you babysitting the front desk.
You're late, again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser.
And yet, here we are.
Some of us don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Well, look who crawled out of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Not even a little.
Shame. I got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at this station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
I'm sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Hopefully sooner than later. If you talk to him, put in a good word for me, yeah?
I'm not your wingman. Get help, Roxy.
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual, you should have hired a watch. Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox. Transfer from Rontwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every report you ever wrote. Your work on the Full Mooner Gooner case back in '79 was legendary.
Yeah. City was edging on total collapse back then. But I put down that freak. For good.
You saved the city.
Saved? I just delayed the inevitable. Now we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's escalating, and you're not chasing him alone.
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
What? You gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone. I can't be wasting time babysitting some new transfer. O'Brien?
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calm. That's better. Robbie, why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser? I need to talk to him alone.
Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler that I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's your new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer. That's an order.
Slater! Sir! Dick! Detective Slater! Sir!
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir. But I was just thinking, if you need backup or someone to ride along, I've been logging response times, radio codes, crime patterns. I could really help.
These streets will chew you up and spit you out. You're a good kid, but your place is here.
I just don't want to push buttons forever.
You don't want to see what I've seen. Just keep at it, kid.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. Detective.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1.
I...
Rule 2.
Got it.
Break either rule, I leave you.
Understood.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choices. But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing but the... Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift. Get your fix at the Quick Fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you? Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic. What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Oh, God.
Are you calling me on the shitter again? Disgusting! All right, calm down. I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please stop calling me when you're in the middle of taking a crap. this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez! You scared the crap out of me, man! What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
Oh, I love jokes, especially the ones with the killer.
Cool. Great talk. You need some?
My.
Buddy, if you're talking about the hot dogs, they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
The best meals are worth waiting for.
Just another night with another creep. I hate this city.
ready. Weaver is 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 ready. Weaver Weaver is ready. 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 ready. Weaver is 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 ready.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor? Oh, crap. You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that... Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners?
Well, I do love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in the mood for something a little more unique.
Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry any staples?
Why do you need staples this late at night?
Oh, you could say I'm working on a little art project.
Whatever, man. It's none of my business. I think we have some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. I'll be seeing you again real soon.
Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver is ready. Weaver. ready. Tweezer is 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 ready. Tweezer. Tweezer is.
Hey, Hexy.
Hey, Shrimp Queen.
It's comfort food. Don't judge.
No judgment. Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are both living the dream, eh? You on your break?
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta get back soon. How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll
Have a good shift, Blair.
Tweezer is ready. Tweezer is ready. Tweezer is ready. Tweezer is ready. Tweezer is ready.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your... It seems you're all out of staples.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Oh, that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What?
I can see this establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyways, I'll be on my way, my tattooed friend.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix, I guess, or whatever.
By the way, you might want to check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just what I needed. I better grab the plunger. This stupid thing isn't working. What the? What is that sound?
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and talk to them. Look at that. Lucas fell asleep with the— Lucas!
Jeez, Blair, what?
That's what you get for sleeping on—
I wasn't sleeping, I was...
You were literally snoring. I could hear you.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock me.
Cool. Let me nuke this cup of nudies, and then... I'll come back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go. All right, Lucas.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There.
Oh, what? Can't believe I'm getting roped into doing—
We'll call it even for scaring me. After that, there are a few balls that need polishing.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like—
Listen, Blair, the only ball...
Ugh. What? Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder. I'd better head behind the counter and polish those balls. Hello there. Welcome to Gut.
Well, hello! What a lovely
Creature. Do you.
I am here to...
Right.
So direct!
Thanks.
Let me ask you a question.
You mean like. I don't get paid to answer weird questions.
No need to be a bully.
Total creep. Time to clean the stinky shoes. Sometimes I just love these smelly shoes. That should do it. Whatever. Now that he's... I'll eat this back at the register. What?
You're awake. You've got to listen to me.
Mr. Shrimp, you're supposed...
We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
What are you talking about, Mr. Shrimp?
Blair, I can see him. You gotta get up.
What a silly dream. I can't even feel my body, Mr. Shrimp.
You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed!
Knuckles away.
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Mr. Shrimp. I see you're suffering the side effects from my little sea.
That's why I can't move.
Yes, well, you don't have. I acquired that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shred it from your body.
Please,